Updating your credit card information on Dun & Bradstreet is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Dun & Bradstreet website and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Update Credit Card. In the payment settings, look for an option that says Update Credit Card or Edit Payment Method. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter new credit card information. Provide the required details for your new credit card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new credit card information, click the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your credit card information on Dun & Bradstreet. Keeping your payment details current helps ensure uninterrupted service.